If you want to connect your Google Drive to Claude, here's how it works. After signing into your Claude account, select your profile at the bottom. Then click Settings. From there, click Connectors. Then look for Google Drive. If you don't see Google Drive here, then click Add up at the top. Then select Browse Connectors. Search for Google Drive, then click the plus icon next to it. You'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Select the Google account you want to connect to Claude, then click Continue to authorize access. Once it's finished, go back to Profile, then Settings, then Connectors. You'll now see that your Google Drive has been connected to Claude. If you click on it, you can disconnect it at any time. You can also manage the permissions, but I recommend setting them to needs approval. Finally, click the plus icon in the prompt box, go to Connectors, and make sure Google Drive is turned on. Now Claude can retrieve files and information directly from your Google Drive. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.